Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to use Telegram Wallet. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, how do we start using our Telegram Wallet? Well, first things first is you want to go ahead and open up Telegram here, and from here, you want to look for Wallet. So if you don't see Wallet here on your menu, you could go and click on the search icon at the top right here, and just type in Wallet. Now you want to go ahead and open up the Wallet bot here, and from here just click on Wallet at the bottom left. Now you should be able to see your wallet. Now by the way, if this is the first time that you are seeing or accessing your wallet, it might take some time to load up because in this case they will create or start creating your wallet here. Now in this case, how do we start using it? Now the thing here with the wallet here is there are a few things that you can do, like for example sending crypto, buying crypto, exchanging crypto, or even accessing the P2P market. Now, if you want to change a few settings on your account, first you go and click on the gear icon at the top left here and basically change a few things. Like for example, you want to show ton space, edit your notification, add a passcode or fingerprint here, add the identification level, your wallet language here, default currency, and in this case, if you want to always expose or expand your assets. Now, you could also view or reach your, or in this case, contact support if you want to, view their FAQs and some wallet news here. Now, in this case, if you want to scan or immediately send someone crypto, you could use the QR code button at the top right here. Now, this allows you to basically start scanning QR codes and immediately send crypto. So just going to give you an idea here, I'm going to click on while using the app. And from here, we could go ahead and just start scanning the QR code on the screen here. Now, in this case, you could go ahead and scan it. Let's go ahead and go back here. Now, how do we add some crypto? Let's go and click on add crypto here. Now from here, you have two ways to basically add crypto. So you could either buy a crypto via the P2P market or via an external wallet. So in this case, you'll be receiving crypto from another wallet. So let's go and click on external wallet here. Now in this case, what we need to do is we need to basically choose our, in this case, our crypto. But in this case, if you do see the option that says session expired, you might need to restart your session here for wallet. Just click on wallet again and you should be good. Now, going back to add crypto, let's go and click on the external wallet option. Now, we need to choose our crypto here that we want to add. So either Bitcoin, Toncoin, USDT, NOT, DOGS, and HMSTR or Hamster Combat. Let's go and click on continue here once you've chosen your crypto. Now you should be able to see your address here, and in this case, you could provide the address or the QR code to the sender, and basically they could either enter your address here and as well as or in this case, use your QR code if you want to. Now, if you want to learn more about information about your address here, you go and click on the question mark here. And in this case, you want to basically follow any of the information that you see here. So in this case, for this one, send only Toncoin to this address, and the other assets as jetons or NFTs will result in permanent loss. So in this case, since we've chosen our address or our crypto here, it can only receive a Ton. So it will not be able to receive Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency if you try using the address itself. So if you want to send to a different cryptocurrency, you need to use a specific crypto for that. Like for example, if you want to use Bitcoin, use Bitcoin. If you want to send USDT, use USDT. Now, you could also buy crypto here by clicking on buy crypto and choosing the crypto you want to buy. And also you want to provide the currency that you want to use. So I'm going to use US AUD here. So I'm going to click on done. And from here, it's going to redirect you to Unwrapper. So you just need to indicate all the information needed. Like for example, the amount that you want to buy here. If you click on buy Ton here, it's going to request you to basically enter your payment details and all the information needed to make the transaction itself. So they also might ask you to verify yourself, so make sure to have those information ready, like an ID or any proof of payment that you did before. Now, you could also use the P2P market here, which is in this case allows you to buy from the P2P market. So you can either sell or buy in this case. So if you want to buy, just click on buy here. You could choose the seller here. So depending on where you want to buy. So in this case, if you want to buy from this user, just click on buy here. And you should be able to indicate how much you want to buy. And in this case, just click on continue. Follow the on-screen steps for you to buy your crypto. Now, you could also basically exchange your crypto just in case you want to exchange it to a different cryptocurrency. If you click on exchange here, it's going to actually redirect you to that page. But before you could actually access this, you need to have some form of crypto already existing in your wallet for you to exchange. Like, for example, you can actually exchange your ton to Bitcoin or vice versa. So depending on what you want to exchange. Now, if you want to send some crypto, just click on send here. And in this case, for you to use this functionality, you first have to have some form of crypto in your account here before you could use it. But yeah, so those are the basics on how to use the Telegram wallet here. And from then on, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.